Welcome to the My Channel Global Car. Where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news and futuristic rides. If you're a true car enthusiast, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a rev. The legend returns as the 2025 Firebird has ignited imaginations across the world. After years of rumors and concept leaks, this mythical muscle car is finally making a roaring comeback. But it's not just about nostalgia. The new Firebird is a bold reinvention of American performance. Built on a modern platform with clear inspiration from the classic Trans Am lineage, the 2025 Firebird blends retro vibes with cutting-edge technology. Its sleek, aggressive body features a sculpted hood, LED Phoenix Eye headlights, and a wide, low stance that screams speed even when standing still. Under the hood, you're looking at raw power. The top-tier model is rumored to pack a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine pushing out over 700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, making it a direct challenger to the Dodge Demon and Chevy Camaro ZL1. There's also talk of a hybrid variant for those seeking performance with efficiency, and possibly an all-electric Firebird down the line. Inside, the cabin is all about high-performance luxury. Expect a fully digital instrument cluster, race-style seating, customizable ambient lighting, and a center touchscreen powered by the latest AI-based infotainment system. It's smart, stylish, and surprisingly driver-friendly.